Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we'll be featuring the Ergobaby Omni 360 Cool Air Mesh Carrier. It's used for children between 7 and 45 pounds. Ergobaby carriers are ergonomically designed to cradle your baby in a natural sitting position and to evenly distribute baby's weight between your hips and shoulders, so they're super comfortable for you as a parent. The Omni 360 Cool Air Mesh Carrier has all 4 possible carry positions, plus additional ventilation to keep both you and your baby cooler. This carrier grows with your baby, doesn't require an additional infant insert, and has a personalized fit. There are Velcro tabs on the inside of the waist belt which you will adjust based on your baby's weight. The neck cushion is adjustable for proper head support. For newborn babies, you can fold it inward and fasten it with the buttons, and as they grow, you can fold it outward and choose one of the button height positions. The seat itself has 2 settings. Adjust the gray sliding positioner when switching your baby from facing inward to outward. There is a zip-out sun or rain hood to protect your baby's head. For you as the parent, the waist belt offers lumbar support for extra back comfort, and the crossable shoulder straps offer a more customized fit. It comes with a detachable pouch for storing items that you need to have handy. Now we'll show you how to put it on, beginning with the front carry position with baby facing you. Start by making sure that the Velcro tabs in the waist belt are correct for your baby's size. Make sure the bucket seat's adjustment slider is on the outward setting. The shoulder straps should be securely fastened but loose. Fasten the waist belt around you, making sure to use the elastic safety loop. Tighten it until you get a snug fit. Pick up your baby and hold them to your tummy, making sure their legs are in a frog position. Support them while you grab the back panel and slide one arm through the shoulder strap. Switch arms to put on the other strap. Buckle the chest strap and tighten as needed. Tighten the shoulder straps as well and make sure they're the same length. You can roll up the excess webbing and then make sure the chest clip rests between your shoulder blades. Adjust the panel of the bucket seat so that your baby's legs are in a frog-legged M shape, with their back slightly curved. Make sure that their head and neck are supported as needed and that there is a space between their chin and chest so their airways are clear. You should be able to kiss your baby's head easily. You can also carry your baby in this position with the straps crisscrossed in the back if that is more comfortable for you. Next, we'll show you how to wear your baby in the front carry position facing out. This is best for babies who have solid head and neck control. Start by making sure that the Velcro tabs in the waist belt are correct for your baby's size. Make sure the bucket seat's adjustment slider is on the inward position. The shoulder straps should be securely fastened but loose. Fasten the waist belt around you, making sure to use the elastic safety loop. Tighten it until you get a snug fit. Pick up your baby and bring them against your chest. Bring the back panel up so that your baby sits deep in the bucket seat. Pull on the shoulder straps one at a time, supporting your baby with the opposite arm. Buckle the chest strap and tighten as needed. Tighten the shoulder straps as well, and make sure they're the same length. You can roll up the excess webbing and then make sure the chest clip rests between your shoulder blades. Gently tilt your baby's pelvis upward and then adjust the panel of the bucket seat so that your baby's legs are in a frog-legged M shape and they're centered in the carrier. Make sure there's no pressure on their shoulders and that their chin is above the back panel so their airways are clear. You're ready to go. The next position to use is the hip carry, which is also best for children with good head and neck control. Start by making sure that the Velcro tabs in the waist belt are correct for your baby's size. Make sure the bucket seat adjustment slider is on the outward position. The shoulder straps should be unfastened and loosened. Fasten the waist belt around you, making sure to use the elastic safety loop. Tighten it until you get a snug fit. Rotate the belt so that it rests above your non-dominant hip. Now attach the padded shoulder strap to the opposite buckle, making sure to slide it through the safety loop. Slide the strap over your head and onto the opposite shoulder. Pick up your baby and let them slide into the bucket seat, making sure their feet go below all the straps and they sit deeply in the carrier. Tighten the shoulder strap behind your back while supporting your baby. Now grab the other padded shoulder strap and pull it behind you so you can buckle it to the opposite buckle in front. Don't forget to use the safety loop and then tighten the strap to give them more support. Make sure your baby's legs are in a frog leg M shape, that they're centered in the bucket seat, and that their airways are clear. You're good to go. The last position is the back carry, and we'll show you how to do that now. Again, start by making sure that the Velcro tabs in the waist belt are correct for your baby's size. Make sure the bucket seat adjustment slider is set to the outward position. The shoulder strap should be fastened but loose. Fasten the waist belt around you, making sure to use the elastic safety loop. Tighten it until you get a snug fit and rotate the carrier to one side. Pick up your baby and place them on your hip, centered over the bucket seat. Grab the back panel and pull it up around your baby's back. Support your baby with one arm while reaching around to put the strap on the opposite shoulder. While leaning forward, rotate your baby and the carrier so they're centered on your back. Feed your other arm through the second shoulder strap. Fasten and tighten the chest strap as well as the shoulder straps until you're comfortable and everything is snug. From here, make sure your baby sits deep into the carrier with that frog leg M shape and that their airways are clear. As a note, whenever you're removing the carrier with any of these 4 positions, it's important to loosen one of the shoulder straps and remove it from one arm while supporting your baby with the other. You will take your baby out and put them somewhere safe before removing the carrier entirely. Overall, we love the Ergobaby Omni 360 carrier because it's super customizable for you and your child, and it's super comfortable for your baby. Thanks for watching. To shop this carrier or any other product, go to babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more and price matching. To learn more about another Ergobaby carrier, click here. As always, like and subscribe, and see you next time.